Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.8% at the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The euro dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Daimler AG's main Mercedes-Benz division expects sales to stabilize in the fourth quarter and still aims to generate double-digit returns this year, despite disruptions from the global semiconductor shortage. UK shares fell, dragged by industrial and consumer discretionary stocks, after data showed British inflation hit a 9-year high in August and reignited concerns about a sooner-than-expected policy tightening by the Bank of England. El Salvador will exempt foreign investors from paying taxes on Bitcoin profit and income as, according to an advisor to El Salvador's president, the country wants to encourage foreign investment.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, the Dutch unemployment rate at 4:30 GMT. Italy's trade balance EU will be released at 800 GMT. Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.